Today we're touring a 5-bedroom, 6.5 bathroom, luxury, modern mansion in Scottsdale, Arizona with breathtaking views of Camelback Mountain, listed at $3,850,000. My name is Austin Zaback. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. As soon as you walk in, this massive solid wooden door, unbelievable. You walk right through into this super open concept living kitchen area, and it is just unbelievable, the vibes that you get as you walk into this house. If you're familiar with Arizona at all, then you'll know that we're in Arcadia, which is in Scottsdale, Arizona, but this is more of a modern, like bold contemporary with a super clean aesthetic to it. And I just love that about this particular home because you just don't see that every single day in the area. Off to the right over here, we have this unbelievable entertaining space. We have a little bar, we have a sink, we have a wine cellar. We obviously have the white on black, which is what everybody seems to want right now. You do have another entrance actually leading out to the front yard, which we'll check out in a little while. If you're familiar, again, with Arcadia, a lot of people spend a lot of time in their front yard, okay, by the fire pit and looking at the unbelievable views of Camelback Mountain. And I mean, this right here is just a dream come true for anybody, okay? Obviously, we have this massive, massive bar. I mean, I don't even know that I've ever even seen anything this big. This thing has got to be like 17 or 18 feet long. Unbelievable, okay? We're just gonna open a couple things, okay? You have a dishwasher here, tons of storage over here. It's probably your, well, there you go. It's your trash, so you have recycle and regular trash. Again, this is where I was at a little while ago, and this is where you have that straight shot view of Camelback Mountain. You could open this up in the morning, get a little bit of fresh air. You have your refrigerator here, which these things are massive. You can't even tell it's a refrigerator. Unbelievable decor. You have a camera in your fridge, okay? So when you're at the grocery store, I would imagine, and you forgot if you're out of milk, if you're out of, lemonade or lemon juice or whatever, you can check your camera, check your phone. You actually have 2 cameras. I just realized you have 2 cameras, okay? So you're gonna make sure that if your lemonade is on the top shelf and your milk is on the bottom shelf, that in accordance with the shelf, obviously, with the cameras, okay? So you have that. You do have your microwave down below, which is awesome, okay? And all you gotta do is you just gotta click open. So, you toss your Hot Pocket in there, your pizza rolls, late night snack, okay? You're probably not gonna do a ton of that. When you live in a house like this, you probably have, eat a little bit healthier, I'd imagine is how you, got the money to afford this property. But, nonetheless, okay? Just beautiful, beautiful cabinetry. The attention to detail, again, is just incredible. Let's see what this is here. Another trash can, another recycle bin, because, you need 2 of each, obviously, in a house like this. I mean, duh, okay? You got your freezer over here. I would imagine, by the way, these will flip-flop. So if you want that to be your freezer and this to be your fridge, you could probably do that, although I don't know why you would do that. Guys, I mean, unbelievable, okay? If you want storage, I mean, this is the property for you. All storage next to the dining room, or I guess, yeah, the dining room. So all storage over there. And you also have storage on the back side as well. This is all storage as well. Again, with just a statement piece of a light fixture right here. I'm in love, okay? I don't know about you. I hope you're really enjoying this. In the open concept living room / kitchen, we have this big ass fan. And before you're like, Austin, don't curse on YouTube. No. The actual maker of that fan is named Big Ass Fans. Okay, you can look it up yourself. But that is the name of the company. We have this unbelievable TV mount, which is so cool. Again, the attention to detail is just insane how well that fits up there. Unbelievable. I would turn on the fireplace right now. It's a little bit hot in Arizona. Okay, it's about 100, 105 degrees. So I'm gonna leave that off for today's video, but definitely, if you haven't already, smash that like button, make sure you subscribe, and during the winter, we'll turn on a bunch of fireplaces for you, I promise. Again, the attention to detail and just the modern, sleek design that they chose really reminds me of like Hollywood or Beverly Hills, but really, you're in Scottsdale, Arizona at a fraction of the cost. Again, $3,850,000. It's actually a custom concrete wall right here. And I didn't know this a little while ago, but this is actually bendable concrete. Okay, I had to Google that to make sure that I would talk about it the right way, but I've never actually seen that in a house before. And I was talking to the developer and they said it's like just totally one of a kind and basically unheard of. Right off of the kitchen, we actually have a little butler pantry, okay? Or you can use it as a regular pantry, obviously, but what I love about this particular property is the black. The way that they incorporated this with the Keurig machine and the double ovens right off, again, of the kitchen with this big pantry, sink, marble countertops. Again, I mean, I didn't even know how to explain it in a video, but in person, this property is just truly one that, I mean, honestly, I might try to buy it for myself, although I can't afford it, so again, just smash that like button, okay? So maybe one day I can potentially afford something like this. They say this is where the magic happens, and now after looking at this beautiful master bedroom, I totally understand where they got that from. You've got the 90-degree glass wall that literally looks right out to the infinity edge pool, the basketball court, the grass, just, I mean, incredible, okay? Obviously, you have the textured walls throughout, the recessed lighting, the lamp, you know, unbelievable. Walking in here to the bathroom. This is a bathroom, okay, that will blow you away. The shower, you have literally slates, okay? I think that's what they're called. You have like slabs, okay? Slabs is a better word, of black marble with gold fixtures. I mean, just look at this really quick, okay? We're gonna walk in here. And I'm just gonna give you an idea of what this would be like in the morning. Like, just imagine yourself here in the morning, taking a shower. The vibes are just incredible, okay? I want this house for myself. Obviously, you have his and hers vanities, recessed lighting underneath, marble countertops, they're floating. You have the soaking tub right here. This is breathtaking, okay? You have a separate little kind of patio, I'll call it, with views of that Camelback Mountain. Again, I know we've talked about that a lot, and obviously, last but not least, you have his and hers closet, fully built in, fully decked out, all black and gold. I mean, this is my dream come true. So I don't know about you, but like this is on another level, okay? All quality, high-end built-in cabinetry here, okay? And again, that could be the women's, this could be the men's, or vice versa, although I would imagine that the woman's gonna take the bigger one, okay? Just depending, obviously, on, you know, what it is that you like. But here you go, you got another closet, okay? And this actually leads you to the laundry room where you have 4 washers and 4 dryers, which is pretty cool if you ask me. So no more walking across the house and wheeling your laundry across the house. You don't got to do any of that. It's right here off of the garage that again leads you right to the master bedroom. This is probably my favorite room in the entire house just due to the natural light, the wood on the ceiling, okay, and the doors. I mean, just all of the glass that we have in here leading right out, obviously, to the grill, to the basketball court, to the infinity edge pool. You can just get a glimpse, a view of everything that is going on. This could be a total game room, it could be a pool room, it could be a movie room, it could be really just about anything. The options are just pretty much limitless in this room. I'm not sure if I mentioned this yet. I think I have, like multiple times, but in the morning when you walk out of your front door, which by the way, I mean, this thing's got to weigh like 150 pounds. You walk out here and you have a straight shot view of Camelback Mountain, okay? There's multiple places in the home where you have that view, but more importantly, what I would do every morning, and I don't know about, you probably don't care what I would do, but what I would do is I would come out here, I would sit down in the morning, maybe turn my fireplace on, depending on if it's summer or winter, obviously, and I'd just drink a cup of coffee, look at Camelback Mountain, check some stock prices on the Wall Street Journal, see what's going on in the world, and just genuinely enjoy myself. Did I mention that you have a mountain in your front yard? Okay, that right there, if I haven't mentioned it yet, that is Camelback Mountain with a private gate right here in your front yard. All you got to do is, obviously, if you have guests, you got a little keypad. They can type in the code, they can get to you. If you're the owner of the property, you have a remote. You drive in here, plenty of room. You could probably park, I don't know, 8 or 9 cars in the driveway, no problem. You've got the frosted glass 3-car garage. This is just beautiful, okay? This is beautiful. That's all I have to say. I hope you're loving it. You have this massive, massive door, which is really just incredible. It opens all the way up, and it's actually a pocket door, okay? I don't know if you're familiar with a pocket door, but what I love about these things is that they go into the actual wall, which you don't see in a lot of houses, okay? I gotta go back here and make sure I get this one. But these go all the way into the wall so that when you're entertaining and you have guests over, you can't even tell that there was ever a door there at all. Now I'm just gonna warn you, I'm not much of a basketball player, okay, but I figured I had to do it for YouTube. I gotta do it for the like button. So if I make this, okay, you have to smash the like button, okay, ready? We're gonna give it a try here. I believe it's what they call a two-pointer, and as you can tell, I mean, let's see if I can get my videographer to edit that ball to go into hoop, okay? We'll try it again. Okay, we're gonna do it for the like button. You guys ready? If you haven't already, smash that like button. Everything about this property was so incredibly thought through, from the infinity edge pool to all the vegetation to the basketball court to all of the fake turf. Right here, you have literally an extension of that other room, that room that we were talking about, okay? The game room, the pool room, the bar, whatever room you want that to be, this extends out right out to a grill, to an outdoor bathroom. I mean, who wouldn't want to own this luxury mansion? I mean, this is just incredible. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed today's luxury house tour. My name is Austin Zaback. If you haven't already, go ahead and click that like button. Drop into the comment section below what you would like to see in a future video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.